Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, you will learn some basic answers to the questions that are generally asked while having a conversation with someone. So let's see what are these questions and also learn how you should reply to it. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I am doing much better today. I am doing much better today. What did you say? What did you say? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I am coming from market. I am coming from market. Where are you all going? Where are you all going? We are going for shopping. We are going for shopping. Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Can you come at my place tomorrow? Can you come at my place tomorrow? I'll see. I'll see. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? We have two cars. We have two cars. What happened to your car? What happened to your car? My car isn't working. My car isn't working. Do you accept credit card? Do you accept credit cards? We don't accept credit cards. We don't accept credit cards. Are you new to this city? Are you new to this city? Yes, it's been a couple of months now. Yes, it's been a couple of months now. What do you do for your living? What do you do for your living? I have my own business. I have my own business. Or you can say that I do a job. I do a job. Can you please repeat that once again? Can you please repeat that once again? Yes, of course I will. Yes, of course I will. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Or you can say not exactly. Not exactly. What's your plan for this weekend? What's your plan for this weekend? We are planning to hang out. We are planning to hang out. Have you seen that new movie? Have you seen that new movie? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Or you can say not yet. Not yet. Can you offer me any discount? Can you offer me any discount? Yes, I can offer you discount. Yes, I can offer you discount. Or I'm sorry, I cannot offer you any discount. I'm sorry, I cannot offer you any discount. How's the weather in your city? How's the weather in your city? It's raining. It's raining. Would you mind doing me a favor? Would you mind doing me a favor? It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? It cost 500 rupees. It cost 500 rupees. Who prepared the lunch? Who prepared the lunch? My mother prepared the lunch. My mother prepared the lunch. What did you buy from the market? What did you buy from the market? I bought some vegetables. I bought some vegetables. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Sometimes. What's the day tomorrow? What's the day tomorrow? It's Sunday tomorrow. It's Sunday tomorrow. Can we talk for a while? Can we talk for a while? Not now. I am quite busy. Not now. I am quite busy. Who is she? Who is she? She is my cousin. She is my cousin. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am very much hungry. Yes, I am very much hungry. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What is the date today? What is the date today? Today is 10th. Today is 10th. How was the movie? How was the movie? Not so bad. Not so bad. What time is it? What time is it? It's 9:45. It's 9:45. What's your profession? What's your profession? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Can I help you? Can I help you? No thanks. No thanks. Do you think it is true? Do you think it is true? I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. Do you like Bollywood music? Do you like Bollywood music? Yes, I'm really into it. Yes, I'm really into it. Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English? Because it fascinates me. Because it fascinates me. How is it going? How is it going? Not bad. Not bad. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I'm upset. Because I'm upset. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Because I'm very annoyed. Because I'm very annoyed. When will you go? When will you go? I will go next month. I will go next month. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Or you can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. So guys, that's all for now. Do let me know how did you find this video. If you have any suggestion, do let me know. Do subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching.